The Forex market is a dynamic environment that constantly reacts to various factors, but one of the most influential is economic news. News trading is a strategy that focuses on leveraging the rapid and significant market movements triggered by major events or economic announcements. It's one of the most popular strategies in Forex and, at the same time, one of the most challenging. The concept behind news trading is simple. When a major event occurs, such as the release of employment figures, interest rate decisions, or inflation reports, the markets react instantly and often dramatically. These movements can create opportunities for significant profits if executed correctly. However, they also come with a high level of risk due to the extreme volatility they generate. To understand how this strategy works, it's important to recognize the key events that impact the Forex market. Examples include U.S. non-farm payroll reports, central bank policy decisions, consumer price index, CPI, data, and GDP growth figures. These events have a direct effect on currency values as they reflect a country's economic health and influence. Investor expectations. The key to successful news trading lies in preparation. Before trading, it's essential to consult an economic calendar that outlines upcoming events and their expected impact. These calendars often categorize news by importance: high, medium, or low. High-impact events generate the most volatility and, consequently, the best trading opportunities. During the event, markets can become extremely volatile. Prices often move rapidly in one direction and, in some cases, reverse just as quickly. This means timing and precision are critical. Many traders use pending orders, such as stop or limit orders, to enter or exit the market as specific price levels are reached. However, news trading is not without its challenges. High volatility can lead to slippage, meaning your orders may be executed at prices far from what you expected. Additionally, spreads tend to widen significantly during these periods, increasing trading costs. For this reason, it's essential to work with a reliable broker and manage risks using solid strategies. Emotional control also plays a crucial role. Trading during high volatility events can be stressful, especially if the market moves against your position. Staying calm and adhering to your trading plan is essential to avoid impulsive decisions that could lead to significant losses. In conclusion, news trading is a powerful strategy for capitalizing on rapid market movements, but it requires preparation, discipline, and a strong focus on risk management. If you're willing to learn and practice, it can become a valuable tool to boost your Forex trading results.